How to remove shortcut arrows from desktop icons. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard, then type regedit and hit OK. It may ask for permission, just click Yes and the registry editor will open. Now what you need to do is open this path. Well, I'll put it in the description so it's easier for you. So just copy the path and paste it into the address bar at the top, then press Enter. As soon as you hit Enter, it will take you directly to that location and the last folder, which is Explorer, will already be selected. Now right-click on the Explorer folder, go to New and then click on Key. Name this key Shell Icons and make sure the S and I are capital. Spelling should be exact, otherwise it won't work. Once you create it, it should open automatically, but if it doesn't, just double-click it. On the right-hand side, you'll see an empty area. Right-click there, go to New, and select String Value. Name this string 29 and press Enter. That's it. Now you can close the registry editor. After this, you have two options. You can either restart your PC or open Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar. Then find Windows Explorer. Right-click it and click Restart. Once that's done, you'll notice that all the shortcut arrows on your desktop icons are gone.